Hey guys, Mike Vasile here, and in this video we're talking about how to make money with Fiverr and how beginners are earning $100 a day with no experience. More with that after the intro. Hey guys, Mike Vasile here. Welcome to this video. Before we actually begin, I remind you that several spots have opened up for this week's free workshop where it's the fastest and easiest way to make money online. We have a 62-year-old woman go from 0 to 160 grand profit in 90 days, so sign up for it in the link below. All right guys, so before we actually begin, I want to break down the huge opportunity that exists right now on Fiverr. As you can see, for website development, it's a popular job. The gigs are starting at $70 to $95 to $175 per gig. Think about that, right? If you guys just get like 10 gigs in a month, that's nearly $2,000 profit in a single month. Website development is huge because as more and more entrepreneurs and businesses move from like local and traditional ways of business to the online world, more and more business owners, people that have money, that are willing to spend money, are willing and able to go to Fiverr and actually get somebody to do the website development for them. Another one that's really popular is copywriting. So like I said, we are moving in a transition from businesses that are moving from like the traditional way of doing offline marketing to online marketing. And because of that, copywriting is huge and very, very valuable because copywriting is what essentially gets people online to get sales. If you could help people online get sales, you are gonna be able to charge more. As you guys can see, $45 per service. Another one that's really popular is cold calling and sales. Like I said, sales and marketing on Fiverr will traditionally be the ones that pay you the most. You can see this one, the number one thing that's ranking for sales, pays $95 for a sales video, and all he's doing is just writing a professional video sales letter script that gets sales. Like I said, you get just like 10 of these, that's already like $1,000 and you're just writing simple sales copy. Like for me to write sales copy, it maybe takes, I don't know, like an hour or so to go ahead and do this. Essentially, you can make up towards $95 an hour as long as you keep on getting ranking for these things. As well as this is video marketing. Video marketing is huge. You see this one right here, I will make marketing videos that inspire. $100 and 118 reviews. So this person is making really good money with this. As well as social media marketing. I will be your social media manager starting at $40, at $95, at $150. Like I said, when your business equates to a specific sale, you get to charge more and more and more for your gigs that you go right here. As well as voiceovers. I live here in Bali and I met this guy. He has like this interesting voice. He's like German and Dutch and whatnot, but he literally makes a living doing voiceovers. So if you have like a very interesting voice, you could perform nice and deep, unique male voiceovers for customers. Look at this, starting at $100. And the thing about this is they're the ones that provide you a script. So if the script doesn't take that long, you can make some really good money with this. As well as virtual assistants specifically for Amazon FBA. Because Amazon FBA is a business, you could see that you could actually charge way, way more, like $200 for a service like this. Now that you know the potential of this, let's actually talk about what Fiverr actually is. Fiverr is a marketplace where there are buyers and sellers. Buyers are essentially marketers like me that need help with their online businesses, and sellers are the ones that are giving away their services. It's a marketplace where instead of me trying to go and find a freelancer off the street, I literally have the entire world's freelance talent at my fingertips with the best for every budget, quality work done, and protected payments every time, 24/7 support. So me as a buyer, this is actually huge because now I can work with literally anybody that I want to work with from the entire world. And as a seller, somebody who is maybe good with logo design, voiceover, video explainer, social media manager, illustration, SEO, translation, data entry, book covers. This now gives people from anywhere around the world with any set of these skills the ability to actually go ahead and make money. But you're probably wondering, well, Mike, that's great for you, but what if I can't actually go ahead and make money with this? Well, this is a very interesting way that a lot of people aren't utilizing Fiverr in a way that, I see people making money with this. And the concept known as drop servicing. So here's the coolest thing about this. What you see Fiverr, essentially for all of these things, Fiverr is essentially a search engine. What do I mean by that? People are coming up to here and they're typing up things that they need. So for example, website development WordPress, website development Wix, website development designer, website development PHP. What these things are popping up, these are services that people are actively looking for. Now, the problem with most people that make money on Fiverr is they don't know this. A lot of these people are just like beginner entrepreneurs. They've never actually, understand anything about SEO. They don't understand that Fiverr isn't just a marketplace. It is a search engine. And they need to find ways, same way how I'm making this video to rank on Google or YouTube, to rank their gig on the first page so that they could actually go ahead and make money. So if I just type this in, I'm just gonna type in website development WordPress. And as you can see, people are charging $95 to $100 per thing. But the thing of the matter, same way how like you would sell on Amazon, you need to get as much reviews and feedback as much as possible. So in the beginning, what people do is they charge low, say like 20 bucks, just so that they could rank on the first page out of the hundreds of sellers that are here that you could see. Now, the thing about this is if you don't have any experience, this is what I would actually go ahead and do. It's called drop servicing, where you would literally go up to here and type in WordPress developer. And what you would do is your goal is to find somebody that could do things for you a lot more cheaper by going to the search engine, typing in Philippines, going hourly rate less than $10 and below. So the reason why I want to do this is where you could actually see where the money is made. So if I can get somebody to do the WordPress developer for me for less than $10 an hour, I just got to go and find a gig that only takes about 1 hour. Because if it takes them $10 an hour to go ahead and do it, but this person does it for $80, you could see that you could start profiting $70 per sale. Now think about how huge that is. If you just get 10 of those a day, that's $700 profit a day that you don't actually have to do yourself. Now here's the thing, this is $80, right? But on Upwork, they're charging this for $10. So you could see just where the opportunity lies. And the thing is, if this person is overworked, guess what? You could literally hire this person. You could hire this person, it's even cheaper. You could even hire this person, it's even cheaper. And your goal at this point is just trying to find ways to rank for certain keywords on Fiverr. You could do this the exact same thing, for example, copywriting, right? You can see some of these are $45 or $60. If I just come in here and I type in copywriter, I would do the exact same thing, go up to here, type in Philippines, go down to here, type in hourly rate, $10 an hour, and you can see that there's copywriters that are going for a lot less. Look at this person made 20 grand and she only charges $7 an hour, guys. This is huge because look at the other copywriters, they're charging $45, right? $45 for things that might be just like an hour of their time. So you can see exactly where the opportunity is, because look at this, even $25 now, right? If you create something like this, you rank for the certain keyword like copywriting. If it costs them $25, you can literally get somebody to do this for $7. And at that point, it just becomes an arbitrage game where you're just trying to rank for these keywords that people are popping up. Like if I just go up to here, this is copywriting, and I'm gonna put space, email copywriting, sales copywriting, copywriting for website. These are what I would try ranking for, guys. So for example, if I'm doing email copywriting, and I know that because this is exactly what people are searching for on Fiverr, I could come in here and see this, oh my God, look at this. $325, guys, $325. If I come in here, type in email marketing on Upwork, let me see if I can go ahead and find somebody at a lot cheaper rate. Again, I want to find people that are proven to already have some type of jobs that are really, really good in the Philippines. This person's already earned over $1,000, only charges $6 an hour, $8 an hour. This one has earned over $90,000. So I'd actually go ahead and pick this. This is $4 an hour, right? For copywriting and cold calling and whatnot. I can literally then, rank one of these and just focus more on the brand. Because at the end of the day, it's kind of like YouTube. It really just matters on your title and your thumbnail. This is why this girl is literally ranking for 2 of them on the top with way more expensive keywords than everybody else. And you can see exactly what works. Their thumbnail is picture on the left, words on the right. Picture on the left, words on the right. Which is very interesting because YouTube, it's kind of like the opposite. It's face on the right, words on the left. But you only know this when you start seeing what your competitors are actually going ahead and doing. Guys, this is a huge way to make money on Fiverr that not a lot of people are doing because they're constantly trading time for money instead of leveraging a way to actually go ahead and do it. Your hardest part though, and this is gonna be your biggest challenge, is finding the best people to work with that you could trust that are proven to give high quality results. Because if you could find a way to rank certain keywords on Fiverr based off of how I showed you, just typing up, putting a word in here, typing in space, and seeing exactly what people are searching for. For example, with sales, let me just put space, sales funnel, ClickFunnels sales funnel, sales copywriting, sales copy, sales page, Shopify sales. As long as you know exactly what you're searching for and you find somebody to do it for a lot cheaper, you can always make money with it, guys. But of course, if you want a faster and easy way to make money online, check out the free workshop below because we have a 62-year-old woman go from 0 to 160 grand profit in 90 days. As well as check out my podcast with all these multimillionaires that make a bunch of money online. Check it out, guys. See you guys later.